Hi, I'm Dorothy Guerra, the author of the Yoga Birth Method, and I wanted to give you a birthing tip for the day. I want to talk to you about breathing. Many times women throw in the towel and reach for an epidural simply because they don't have a strategy to deal with their contractions. All you need is to manage your breath at the end of the day. I talk about the Yoga Birth Method and breathing techniques in the book. We discuss 3 types of breathing that happen through labor: your early labor, your active labor, and your transition labor. The reason why we need 3 breaths is because as labor progresses, your intensity of those contractions change. And if you continue to do the same thing from the beginning to the end, it's not going to work as your body is physically changing. In order to learn those 3 types of breathing, make sure you pick up the book or go on to yogabirthmethod.com and find out how you can participate in Yoga Birth Method classes.